Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Bacod. I'm here to present to you the phone restaurant reservation. Good morning, CTHM Restaurant. This is Nicole speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, who I am speaking to.
Monica Azabel.
May I spell out your name? Monica. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
0906-3538-805.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Monica, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2.
What time do you want your reservation, ma'am?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 24, 2024 for 2 person only. In the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Monica, with a contact number of 0906-353805. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything you would like to request, ma'am?
None.
Miss Monica, thank you for patronizing CTHM Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thanks.